Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook healthy salmon. First, select high-quality, fresh salmon fillets, as their natural richness forms the foundation of a delicious meal. Pat the fish thoroughly dry with paper towels to ensure a wonderfully crispy skin when cooked. Seasoning should be simple yet effective. A pinch of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice are all you truly need to enhance its natural flavors beautifully. This minimal approach keeps your meal both healthy and incredibly tasty. For healthy cooking, baking or pan-searing are excellent choices. To bake, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on thickness, for a tender result. If you prefer pan-searing, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat, then cook skin side down for 4 to 5 minutes until crispy, before flipping and cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes. These methods help retain the salmon's beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, making your meal nutritious and satisfying. Elevate your salmon's flavor without adding unnecessary calories by using fresh herbs. Finely chopped dill, parsley, or chives sprinkled after cooking add a burst of freshness. A simple marinade made with a tablespoon of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a minced clove of garlic can infuse incredible taste before cooking. For an Asian-inspired twist, a light glaze of low-sodium soy sauce, a teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, and a touch of honey offers a sweet and savory balance that is surprisingly healthy and utterly delicious. Knowing when your salmon is perfectly cooked is key to avoiding dry fish. The flesh should flake easily with a fork in the thickest part, transitioning from translucent to opaque. For optimal safety and a moist texture, aim for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, checked with a food thermometer. Serve your beautifully cooked salmon with vibrant steamed greens like asparagus or broccoli, or a crisp, mixed green salad. Enjoy a truly satisfying, incredibly healthy meal that's simple to prepare and packed with nutrients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.